You going?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Egypt Insanity. So today we're revisiting one of my older videos of Abu Rawash again. I wanted to revisit this old video. I'm just fascinated by this staircase, it's crazy. Today specifically looking at the tooling marks, the scoop marks. As Ben Van Kerkwijk says, and I say in the video, just like around the unfinished obelisk, there seems to be, there's obvious, what you would think to be chisel marks. Like it'd be very easy to say that this was just done with hammer and chisels, humans going layer by layer by layer, down and down and down. Fine, it looks like that. It's easy to think that that would be the way. It's very rough, but it's just so uniform. Like wherever those chisel marks are, they're perfectly uniform. And like human to human after human by human after human who's doing this sort of work, they're not all going to get it the same angle, but they are. They're like mining equipment with the way we would remove mass amounts of rubble or rock or bedrock from in a cave today. So you've got these horizontal, I don't want to call them scoop marks, I refer to them as scoop marks in the video, but they're not necessarily scoop marks. Yeah, vertical and horizontal sections of material that's been removed with a perfect 45 degree consistent tooling chisel mark. Tell me what you think. I mean, this is the same sort of removal technique we see in so many places, and we can say it was chisels, but I mean, I've been a carpenter for 20 years plus, 25 years. I know what hard labor is, although I've never worked with granite or chiseling stone. I'm not a dumbass. It blows my mind. It blows my mind how this could have been created and what with. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, have a watch. This is the second time I posted this video, but I just wanted to add this stuff to the beginning of it, and I might just chime in through the video and narrate a little bit through there. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. I'd love to know more people's opinions, please. And also like, subscribe, and all the rest of that stuff. Love you guys. Check it out. So here you can see like the vertical channels or vertical guidelines of where, I'm not even sure how to explain this. But you can see there, you can see the horizontal levels of where it's been cut down and down and down. But then you've also got these vertical channels that run up and down as well. It's more machine-like removal as opposed to human. I don't see it being. It's very easy to say that it's rough and it's not level and it's not laser cut by any means, but this to me still seems too uniform for copper chisels and dudes with hammers. I don't know.
Holy.
So as we come down the stairs here as well, you start to see where it's very evident. So you can see horizontal and vertical areas of removal at the same time. It's freaky. So right here, you can see on the right and the left, there are sections. It is too. Whoa! I nearly fell in there. That's the water table, Chuck.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Wow. Yeah. So right here you can see it very easily.
No, I have
Like how that's just straight down.
And that's the water there. So I'm standing on a log.
Or a log in the water.
In the water and it's floating. And that's a polystyrene block right there. Wow. Adam, how deep does this go?
Yeah.
How deep is the water?
How deep?
This deep, it's like a 30 meter.
Wow, so those stairs carry on 30 meters deep.
Yes. Yes. Very deep.
Wow. How, and why? Also, listen what he has to say here.
Here, like I said, this is first point and the beginning for the station of extraction of the energy with rocks and copper and also water. Here we are in Heights Mountain, which is 8 kilometers from 3 pyramids in Giza, which is the height. It's the water, it's going so fast, and also it's going like that, which is, it's very big and very heavy. So that means when the water is going like that and fast, which is mean that
Kinetic energy.
Yes, and this is extraction with the energy and rocks and also copper, metal, in the both side in the canal
And
under the mountain, like we saw it.
Again, just here you can see the vertical and horizontal markings. Shukran.
That's insane.
Shukran.
Holy. Did you just drop off at the ending? Please don't fall down anything.
No. Whoa.
Yeah.
Scoop marks as well.
Yeah.
See the scoop marks? Just like around the unfinished obelisk and everything. Same thing here, scoop marks. Very obvious scoop marks. Ben Van Kirkwick will fucking blow his mind in this. Mind my swearing. Ben, you will see this. Same scoop marks as at the unfinished obelisk. Quite very obvious, especially with a torch on it. Adam, how far does it go down? Another 30 meters?
Yes, another 30
Another 30 meters.
Water under the mountain and connect one line to all pyramids.
Get down low, babe. How low can you go?
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Scoop marks up there even. Wow. So it's on the way out here where you really get to see just the way the light pans down the walls. Gives you a really good impression. You get to kind of see all the tooling marks really well.
One line.
Yalla yalla. Yalla yalla habibi. Wow, okay, scoop marks are very evident now too as we're coming out. We're seeing scoop marks again either side. Very evident here. So there are areas where you'll be able to see where the going, the removal marks are going one way and then another way. But there's only a few of them. Other than that, you can almost line them up from the bottom of the staircase to the top. Shukran.
One, brother.
Shukran.
Great.
Scoop marks again. Scoop marks, or each level of removal of stone, one of the two. Nonetheless, so impressive. Shukran, Habibi.
Welcome. خد بقى يا باشمهندس.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you got a good way to remove tons of rock like that. Am I just crazy? Am I missing something here? Is this similar to the unfinished obelisk scoop marks type of thing? Or am I just completely crazy? Let me know. See you on the next one.